Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you can you actually connect a USB webcam to iPhone. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to test it using this webcam. So I have this iPhone webcam, as you can see guys. So let's see if it actually work or not. So first, here everything you need. Okay, so I have iPhone and webcam, as you can see guys. Not only the webcam, and you need to have lightning to USB adapter. If you have latest iPhone, you need to purchase USB type C to normal USB adapter like this. So I have iPhone 13, that's why I have purchased lightning to USB adapter. This adapter you need to buy. Without the adapter, the webcam cannot connect directly to the iPhone. First, connect the webcam to the lightning adapter like this, and simply you need to insert your lightning adapter to your iPhone charging port like this. That's it. Now the webcam is physically connected. Now let's see what happened next. I will open the camera app first, and as you can see guys, the iPhone still uses the internal webcam. The webcam is not directly detected inside the default camera app. That's because iPhone normally do not support external webcam like laptop do. Okay, iOS has limited support for external camera devices, so most USB webcam won't work automatically on iPhone directly. Sometimes specific app may partially detect external devices, but in most cases regular USB webcam still won't full function on iPhone. So technically the webcam connects physically, but the iPhone does not fully recognize it as a video input device, at least not in the normal way. So yes, you can connect USB webcam to an iPhone physically, but most webcam won't fully work because of iOS limitation. Still, this is a real interesting experiment. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.